going to be showing how to divide a unit fraction by a whole number. My example will be 1/2 divided by 4. First, I need to go ahead and label my number line. I know since I am just dealing with 1/2 that my number line can be from 0 to 1, and I will partition it in the middle and label it as 1/2. I need to partition my 1/2 into 4 equal parts because that's what my divisor is telling me to do. So I'll go ahead and partition this into 4 equal parts. Because it is only a half, I need to represent the whole in its entirety, which means if I divided the first half of my whole into 4, I need to also partition my second half into 4 equal parts. If I count how many equal parts I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 parts. Now, because I have 8 parts, that means that my whole is partitioned into eighths, and I can label them 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, which I know is correct because 8/8 equal 1 whole. Now, in order to find what is 1/2 partitioned into 4 equal parts, what does each part equal, I can take one part, which is from 0 to 1/8, and my answer is going to be 1/8. Let's go ahead and try another example. Let's try 1/3 divided by 2. Again, ask yourself, what do I need to label my number line? I need to label it from 0 to 1 because I'm only really working with 1/3. I will partition into 3 equal parts and I will label 1/3, 2/3, and of course we know 3/3 equals 1 whole. My divisor says I'm dividing it each third into 2 equal parts. So I will partition this in half, and then I will partition this third in half, and this third in half. Let's go ahead and count how many partitions we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I have 6 partitions, then I know that my whole has been partitioned into 6. I can label them as 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6. If I have 1/3, which is here, and I partition it into 2 parts, how much does one part equal? From 0 to my first partition shows that 1/3 divided by 2 equals 1/6. And that is how we divide a unit fraction by a whole.